Hello everyone, it's CraftyKim62 here, and this is for a swap on Simply Craft and Swap on Facebook, and it is the Japanese screen. First of all, I have an A4 cream pearlized piece of card and my trusty scoreboard. So on this one I'm going to use the gatefold, so the A4 gatefold. So I'm going to score once and I'm going to fold that up, matching the sides. I'm going to butt it up against the butt bar and then score again against the same score, and then I'm going to turn it round and use the same score. Then concertina, so you have your basic screen card, but we want to have feet on this, and I'm going to use die. So you'll need small dies with a fancy shape. So I'm going to use this one. This is an S-cut one, but there's another different shape that would be quite nice as well. Now this is my trusty Tonic die cutting machine. It's fairly old, but it's very reliable. So let's get the sandwich right. So whatever die cutting machine you use, when I'm just doing a couple of cuts, I always grab this one and I leave my grand caliber alone. So on this one we want to place the card onto the cutting mat. You want to place it up because you don't want to bend your die, and then position it to where you want it to be. I'm actually going to make my legs quite long on this one. So I'll secure it down, and I'm only doing 2 pieces of card at a time. So you can see you've got the gatefold folded there with the top end of the die facing up, and this is going to give the legs. So put it through the sandwich. Now you don't want to go over the edge because you'll get a line on there, and you don't want that. Just remove the tape and the die. Pop out, save this because this is very useful. Take this one out and save that. And then we're going to move on to the other side, move it up, line it up. You just use your eye for this. Use some low tack tape. So there you've got your first one cut, and your second one is ready. So just place that on top. Remember, don't go through to the edge. You can feel it as you go through your die that you've actually cut. Just move that to one side again. And then just lift the tape off. Remember to save those. This one out, refold and score to give it out of the way, and there you have your screen card with legs. So you can see, and then all you have to do is decorate. This size is A4. Done a smaller one. And this is an A3 one with square, so you can just cut out corresponding square shaped legs rather than anything else, and then you just decorate it in the Japanese Oriental style. And this was the inspiration that I got for doing this swap, and this was a thank you card from Mandy Twitchen. So I asked Mandy whether I could use this and change it to a swap on Simply Swap and Craft, and she said okay. So this is her thank you one. You see the message on behind. So, and what Mandy has done as well is she's used a border punch, and she's punched along the top edge, so that would be quite pretty along the top edge of your one there. So that is the swap, and that is the inspiration. So ladies, I do hope you would join in and you get some lovely Japanese Oriental theme going, and remember the colours on the event of red, shiny black and gold. Many thanks for watching. Bye bye.